This is a breathing technique called Kapalabhati or skull shining breath. What you're going to do is basically find a comfortable cross-legged seated position. And if you find that your knees are way up here when you sit down, or you have any tension on your back at all, you can always loosen up your stance a little bit and open the legs a little wider. Or what I've done here is I've taken a blanket and I'm just going to fold that blanket under my sitting bones until I feel very comfortable. Your hands are just going to rest softly upon your knees with the palms up towards the ceiling. If you'd like to close in a mudra, you can take your first finger and your thumb and make a circle with them. And the idea of this breath is that you're going to be stoking your belly through your exhales. So the emphasis is all on the exhale. The inhales will happen naturally. So I'm going to do this in count with as many breaths as I feel comfortable. And while I'm doing the exhales, I'm also going to be stoking my belly up and down. So you remember when you were a kid and you had those air stokers for your fireplaces? That's exactly the kind of stoking that we're trying to create in the belly. So we're creating a little bit of heat, we're decreasing toxicity in this area, and also just calming the nervous system and practicing a little bit of breath control. So again, palms up, and we'll begin. Inhale. When you're done, I just did 3 rounds with 12 Kapalabhatis in each round because that's what I felt was most comfortable for my breath. And you're going to keep exhaling until you have an empty chalice. So when the breath is completely expelled out of the diaphragm, we call that the empty chalice. So you're going to do that until you're empty, and the inhale will come naturally when you go on to your next round. So again, this is the skull shining breath, Kapalabhati.